If you've been waiting for an air fryer that finally treats cooking like a science rather than just a guessing game, the Typhur Dome 2 is about to revolutionize your kitchen. This isn't just another box on your counter. It's a high-performance 15-in-1 culinary machine that uses advanced airflow and dual heating technology to achieve the kind of crispy, juicy results that professional chefs demand, all while fitting a full 12-inch pizza. Why the Typhur Dome 2 is a kitchen game-changer. Precision dual heating tech. Most air fryers only have a top heating element, leading to uneven cooking. The Dome 2 features both top and bottom heating, which mimics a professional convection oven. This creates an incredibly even all-around crisp, ensuring your steaks get a perfect sear while the inside stays tender. The Dome advantage. The unique, wide basket design is a total paradigm shift. By spreading food out on a flat surface, rather than stacking it in a deep, narrow bucket, you get true air fryer texture on every single piece. Yes, it actually fits a full 12-inch pizza, large cuts of meat, or enough wings for the whole family in one go. AI-driven and whisper quiet. This is perhaps the smartest appliance you will own. It operates with a whisper quiet motor that won't drown out your kitchen conversations, and the intelligent interface guides you through complex cook times, so your meals come out restaurant quality every time. Designed for health and ease. The basket is PFAS-free, ceramic coated, so you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals leaching into your food. Plus, with the self-cleaning mode, maintaining this powerhouse is nearly effortless, leaving you more time to enjoy your meal and less time scrubbing grease. Perfect for the home chef. If you are tired of soggy air-fried vegetables or unevenly cooked chicken, the dual heating technology will finally give you the professional-grade results you've been craving. Busy families. Because it fits so much more than a standard fryer, you can cook complete family dinners in a fraction of the time, without the hassle of firing up your full-sized oven. The quiet home advocate. If you hate the roar of traditional air fryers, the whisper quiet operation makes this the most pleasant appliance to use, even during early mornings or late night snacks. It is rare to find a device that combines this level of raw cooking power with a design that is genuinely more intuitive and health conscious than anything else on the market. If you are ready to stop settling for good enough air-fried food and want to master the art of crispy, perfectly cooked meals, click the link below for the best price.